Good morning, world. I'm awake. It's my first time, or first day, not first time, first day here in Mindoro, in the place, my born place, where I live for so many years. Here I am, surrounded by all the greenery and all the caucus and numero. Let's say, like that. That's the way I lived before. Enjoy watching where I am now. And I'm sharing it to you. I'm still in my pajama, not. That's everything just from my bed out. And I'm thankful to God. I really enjoy and rested. Really sleep so deep and rain so hard. And I'm grateful to the rain. I really sleep so deep. And look how many water falls yesterday. And I'm so grateful also because yesterday when I arrived here for a long journey on the way because it's a bad weather and we call it with the stormy. It's stormy, so we have delayed. And when I came home, sa bomba ako na ligo. Walang kuryente. So wala kaming tubig. So bumaba ako, nagpump ako ng tubig and doon ako naligo. Ang sarap. And thank to that, nakatulog ako ng mahimbing. Tapos andito na ako. Let's share sa aming kubo-kubo na tinatawag. Here we're saying our kubo. You know? It's look like it's just so not long ago, but it is 50 years ago. How funny is that? And etong buko, tingnan mo ha, dito ako nagsusungkat o nagkuha ng aking tininim na buko, which is my favorite too. Look at there. There. Here. Here. Where I'm taking that and I'm eating that. Do you know how delicious is that? Yung may mga sakit dyan sa bato or kidney problem, just drink every morning this. This is the best remedy. So may mga sakit sa bato, kidney, ang ating pong sabaw ng buko. That is one of the wonderful remedy. But of course, water is the best. Drinking water to cleanse everything, all the dirt in your body. Nothing is more than that. But because the nature can give us so much, like what I told you, look at that. When I was young, you cannot see an earth. You see, lahat ng matataas ng damo, mataas pa sa akin. Kasi maliit ako noon, ha. I'm going in under all the damo na yon na para kung may mga ahas naglalakad. Pero ako yon kasi maliit ako. Which is so cute. And lagi kaming palibot ng maraming manok. Ang dami-dami na ganyan. Ayan, natapakan ko na. Tapos, yung mga halaman, mga gulay, dyan na rin kami kumukuha. So, it is, yeah, we are always living like this. Walang kapitbahay. Lagi lang alone. Ganito lang. Maririnig mo lang yung lahat ng mga kulilis. Maririnig mo lang lahat in the morning. Or the drop of the water. Or lahat ng mga manok kapag sila bumaba na. Tapos, kapag yung may kidlat, may kulog, you're going to hear that too. This wonderful plant. Wonderful. See? It's really wonderful. Do you know that in that old plant, we can create our clothes? Textile. We can create our textile together with all the leaves. Actually, almost all the leaves, we can create all the clothes because every leaves has a fiber. And don't forget that the clothes is from the fiber. And that is the only that we are not thinking, but we created so much plastic instead of the leaves. At what we did, we killed the leaves and we killed all the trees. We cut all the trees and nawala lahat ng dahon. Now while we can create a lot from dahon, from the leaves. And it can give us actually already green surrounding. And this is yung baby niyog, diba? Baby kukus is starting to grow. I have all different subject matter. Itong kalamansi, yan paborito ko yan. Panlinis ko yan ng katawan. Tapos ito kamyas, it is also, ito balingbing, naglaglagan na yung balingbing na yan. Ang lalaki niya na, ayan o, kasi walang kumakain. Baka ito, malalim ba ito? Ayan ang balingbing. Ito ang balingbing ng puno ng balingbing, ayan. Which is also really delicious. Doon ako nagliga kahapon. Tapos ito, dito, malambot din. Ayan. Paligpot talaga kami ng greenery. Before, in my time when I was young, wala pang space. Actually, there's no space for seeing the soil. Where you are walking through is through the grass, through green, or through the forests hanging. Ngayon, ang tawag ko lagi is, ito mga taniman namin. Kasi, I could see the soil. Which before, the soil is covered. Because, ang damo kasi, yan kasi ang protection ng soil. Na inalis natin, ginawa natin pavement, ginawa natin semento, ginawa natin na lahat-lahat na that covering the soil, yan na nag-create ng heat na tinatawag niyong climate change, which is not a climate change. Ang lahat ng establishmento na ating tinayo, ang mga semento na cement na when the sun is shining, reflecting to all the establishment, any cement, anything that we created, it creates a multiple heat that people cannot carry it. Kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo, nag-create tayo ng susunog sa atin. Hindi ang sun ang sumusunog sa tao. Now we believe that don't go to the sun because sunugin ka niyan. No, the sun is your medicine. That we forgot that. And we didn't know. Not forgot, we didn't know that. Look at the air. Rinig mo yung yung patak ng ulan. Ang sarap-sarap, 'di ba? Rinig na rinig mo siya. The rain shower. You can hear that. And because they can hear me, all the environment here can hear me. Because they know that I'm one of them too. Not literally one of them. But I get yeah, alam ko, naintindihan nila ako. Yeah, because they love me. And yun yung sinasabi ko sa lahat ng tao. Hindi madali paliwanag. Kasi lalo ka hindi alam ng marami na yung sinasabi ko. Which, that's why I'm partly only sharing what they can reach of their mind. Kasi it's very confusing. It's very which is I understand. That's why I'm not pushing myself to be understood, because it's not a small thing. It's not a small thing. But I am grateful that I could share this to you all in the easiest way as possible. At least to those who can resonate or who can understand. Nakakatuwa, no? Yung lahat ng mga ino-offer niya, nanggaling sa akin lahat. As I remembered, I said, oh, I follow that less holistic. It's from me. Nakita niyo ako nung ako nagulan dito. Tapos nung malakas na malakas yung ulan, talagang you can really, kasi pag lakas talaga ng ulan, it gives people peace, especially sa gabi. Kaya nga sabi ko, lagi ako nagbibiro na the rain is in the night. Together when we are all healing, because the dark are the dark of the night, and the moon is the healing part ng sun, during the sun na binigay sa atin, too lively, na ididim tayo dahan-dahan sa gabi. Kasi yun yung rest moment natin, di ba? Na yung sa gabi, kapag natulog ka, mahimbing. Kung pagdating mo sa umaga, you're fresh again. A new morning, not because you are disconnected from yesterday. You're not disconnected from yesterday, but you brought the yesterday today as your present beautiful, because it happens already. You saw already what happened negative and what happened positive. So when the negative happened yesterday, when you brought it today, it is positive because you see it already, it's happened, and you fast through it. Pero kapag ang tao nga hindi alam yung ginagawa nila, they're going to bring even what yesterday, even the day before, and many, many years back, they're going to turn it back to what is today. And that makes us so heavy, feels us heavy. Kaya nga sabi ko, why don't you prompt yourself to what happened yesterday and the day before and even the days before that as a wonderful example of today, because when you open up yourself to that, you will see how beautiful it is, how wonderful the things that I don't see yesterday I see today. uh, Yesterday I crumbled in the things, and today I'm enjoying the things, and how beautiful it is. And that is the message that I could give to everyone, that not what you get or not what you experienced yesterday bad is but today, because that will give you a wonderful today, because you knew it already what happened yesterday that was not good, and today that is my best good. Kaya ako mamaya pagka gusto ko ng pandesal. Tapos kapag kuha ko ng buko, mga lakyat lang ako. Before, ang aming mga niyog, ganun kataas. If you could see, mahina pa yun eh. Ang aming mga buko dati is, ito mga baby na to eh, mga maliliit na to, stay like that. Like me. Small. Ganun. Yun, mababa pa yun ha. Like that. Like that. Yun siguro pinakamababa na yun na puno ng coconut tree. Pero ngayon, dahil nagkaroon ng mga baby trees, so you can just pick up with your hand. And before, meron kami talaga na panungkit na ganong susungkitin talaga, is falls down, tapos kakaprasin nila yon. So, you see, these things changes also, but the very important things is we don't change the earth. You can change things, but not affecting the earth. Yeah? We can change the earth or the world, but not changing the earth. When you change the earth and affects all the elements, all the natures, the world is gone. Don't forget that word for today. So if you're going to bed, good night. Think about me. And if you're going to start your day, like me, walang suklay-suklay. Medyo nagulan-ulan pa, tapos wala lang, nakapajama pa, ayan. Nakapajama, pero nakasapatos. Diba, ganda, wala akong makitang tsinelas eh. So, nagsapatos na lang ako. Tapos, ayan, andito na ako. Mangunguha na ako ng kalamansi ko kasi, calamansi juice is the wonderful vitamin that you can have. Also, lagay mo lang siya sa mainit na tubig, pwede na. Or kahit sa malamig na tubig, if you want to add sugar or honey, don't put your honey in. Crazy. I hear something again. And so manguha muna ako. Tapos itong bayabas namin. Ayan, madami na rin bunga ulit. Yung bayabas na yan, alam mo, yan ang palaki sa akin. Kaya I'm grateful to that. Yan ako natulog. Dati yan, maraming mangga dito. Yung mga mangga na nakapalibot na yan, yan ang aking mga hinahapunan. Diyan ako nakabitin, diyan ako natutulog, diyan din ako kumakain. So that is my life talaga. Kaya ako magsasabi sa inyo, love the nature the way you love yourself. Kasi the nature is in us. Kapag devastated mo yung nature mo in you know already what's going to happen outside. Oh, I remember this. This quite natawagan ako kasi it's remind me something like this. It gives me a note, reminders. When I was young, meron kami na na sipit. We call sipit. Yung sa bamboo. Tapos ilalagay mo to, ipapangganyan mo, no? Gaganyan mo talaga. Pag tumama sa ganito mo, yan, sakit. Yan ang ginagawa ko ng malitog. Ito, laruan ko yan. Ito yung bala. But don't do, okay? It's not. Kasi pag ginanman yan, ang sakit. Talaga mamumula yung ganito mo. Kaya don't do. I mean, naughty kami noon. I know that. But don't do. It is wonderful. It reminds me something. Bakit may ganito dito? Ba't tinanim ito dito? Diba? Ang cute-cute. Tinanim siya dito. Tapos pinakita sa akin ngayon. Kaya ang ganda-ganda, diba? It's a lot of memory, you know. Itong mamin. Mamin, napakaganda nito sa katawan. When you have a stomach ache, ito. Mamin to eh, I know. Hindi ito mamin. Hindi mamin yan. No. Nasa na, ito mamin. I'm gonna show you the mamin. Mamin is really, kapag masakit yung ulo mo, painitin mo lang. Idarang mo lang sa apoy. Ito. Yan. Ito ang mamin. Ito mamin yan. Ito mamin. Mamin yan. Ito ang pinakamadaming ginamot. Ito siguro kung ang mga tao ay merong sa kanilang cabinet na paracetamol. When I was young, Aldea, mamin is the one of the remedy. Ang bango-bango niya. Super. Oo. Alam mo ba, mamin, kapag nanganak ka, ginagamit din yan sa pusod. Tapos, itatapal at ilalagay ng tela, tapos itatapal sa pusod to heal ang pusod kapag ginupit. Ilalagay nila yan, covering, papainitin lang nila, ilalagay nila sa pusod to heal. Kapag masakit ang tiyan mo, kapag nahihilo ka, lagay niya lang yan, mamin. And kaya sabi ko sa inyo, kung ano lahat na nakita mo na green dito, there's all the use. And I'm gonna give you further update again. So it's my first day here in Mindoro. Since that I arrived here last Tuesday. Ngayon ay Friday na. Isipin mo ang akin day. But I'm grateful. I did everything. So mamaya, yun, yung puno na yun, kay Mito, tulugan ko yan. Dati is mayabong pa yan. Talaga. Maganda pa yan. Napakayabong yan. Napakalalaki ng yan, ang tawag ito, pinapon-kapon nila, pinutol-putol nila, hindi ko na alam sa Tagalog, pinutol-putol nila yung branches, tapos, pinurm lang nila ng isang way, pero dati yan, isang mayabong na puno, na lahat ng, every branches na tutulugan ko siya, na minsan, may mga nakahang na ahas, that's wonderful, diba? Kaya, ang ganda-ganda, so, I give you my short update. Short update is 18, almost 20 minutes. My morning glory. And now I am giving you a great day. And sleep well for those who going to sleep. And those already afternoon. Have a great afternoon, everyone. And have a great day. Enjoy your day. Find one thing that make you happy. Only one thing. From one thing at multiple, okay? Be grateful always. I love you so much. And love yourself deeply, everyone. Bye-bye.